Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question, assign cookies. Okay, so let me explain with this example. So g equal 153 and s equal 412. And your goal is to maximize the number of your content children and output the maximum number. So children with smaller grid factors are easier to satisfy. So I think it's a good idea to sort both arrays and check from the small number. So in this case, so G should be 1, 3, 5, right? And S should be 1, 2, 4. And then description said this is a I index and this is a J index. And every time, first of all, we check both index number. And if they are less than each length of array, so we continue. In this case, I and j are 0, right? And the length of array is 3, right? So we continue. And then, so let's focus on the first child. And this child has 1 for grid factor. And the current cookie is 1. So this child is satisfied with 1 cookie, right? So in that case, so we move I index to next because this child is satisfied. And then every time, so cookie index j move to next, even if children is not satisfied. So j. So now again check both index number and they are less than length of each array, right? So that's why we continue. So in this case, so current child has 3 for grid factor, and the current cookie is 2 cookies. So this child is not satisfied with 2 cookies, right? So in that case, we don't move I index, only move j index to next. So that's why I said even if children is not satisfied, we move j index to next. And then check both index again, and they are less than length of array, right? So that's why we continue. And now this child has 3 for grid factor, and current cookie is 4 cookies, right? So now this child is satisfied with 4 cookies. So in the case, so we move I pointer to next, and we move j pointer to next. And then now j is out of bounds, so we stop iteration. And then all we have to do is just return I, because we can make 2 children satisfied, right? Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So with that being said, let's get into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, we sort both array. So g.sort and s.sort, and initialized index I with 0 and j with 0. And then start looping while I is less than length of g and j is less than length of s. In the case, we continue. And if so, current children gi is less than or equal current number of cookies, so s and j. So in the case, current children is satisfied with current number of cookies. So that's why we count that child as 1. So that's why we move I index to next. And then, as I told you, every time, so we move a j pointer. So j plus equal 1. Yeah, actually that's it. After that, return I. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n log n plus m log n, because we use 2 sorts here. And the space complexity is, I think, on, or order of log n. It depends on the language you use. So in Python, building sort function use like a team sort, which is a on space. So that's why total space should be order of 2n, and we can eliminate the constant number. So simply space complexity is on. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. If you like it, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.